If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to dress up my Alma BB. Okay, I'm gonna put some accessories. Okay, let's start it. Let's see. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, watch. And this Alma BB is 6 months old. Accessories in here. I don't know if you like it, but I do like it. This is so pretty. See, this is half. For now, I'm going to take this out and then show you how I did it. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to insert this here. Oh, why is it so short? I'm not even. Let me see. Okay, that's good. Let's see what we have here and how I wear this bag. This is 6 months old. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Almost 7 months old. This is my birthday present to myself, and now it's increases the price. Right now is $20.60. I didn't even know that. I just checked it the other day. It was like $20.20. Now is $20.60. Whoa. Expensive. Let's open it. What's inside here? See, look at that. The zipper is very smooth. Comes with a strap. This strap you have to go here. There's a little ring here where you can snap it. This one here on the other side. Snap it. The negative of this purse is there's no adjustment to this. The strap. There's no adjustment to the strap, and I'm very short, so it's too low on me. So I use this as crossbody, and also I use this as a top handle bag. But it's okay. I can't use this every day, especially on the rainy season because of this color here. I wanted to protect the leather. Look, it has 4 feet at the bottom. It has 4 feet. And the Louis Vuitton logo. And this. It used to be white in color. Like this color is white. Now it's like turning into honey. Pretty, I love it. Let's see what's inside. I have my Victorine wallet here, and also the key pouch. You saw this before in my blog. Okay, that's what I have. I put them together when I use it. The mini pochette inside as well. It comes with all my accessories here and daily essentials. I have lipstick and some sanitizer and the brush for my lashes and some other stuff in there. I use this one, and this is also the same pattern, which is the Louis Vuitton Monogram. Okay, this one I bought this for like I think $360. And now it's $690, double the price. That's why I like them, because it increases the price, and just in case I don't want this anymore, I can sell it for the same price. People like the vintage luxury items. Okay, so right now look at the color here. It's turning into brown. It used to be like this color. Well, this strap will change and turns into honey or brown color like this over time as well. Okay. I think because of the sun exposure, and also when you touch it with your lotion and your sweat, like it will change the color into a brown color like this, right? Okay, also I have some lotion here. It's CeraVe. This is the lotion that I use. It's water-based lotion, moisturizer. I have my mask. This right there, so I don't have to put this on the desk. I can just wear it like a necklace, and this helps me a lot because you have to go use this whenever you go. You have to have a mask these days. I also have my AirPods case and the AirPods. And the pass to work. I always carry this. I also have the AirTag. Something happened to my purse, I know I can trace my purse. I have this tracer. It's called AirTag from Apple. It's connected to my phone, so just in case I lost my purse, I can trace and get the insurance to pay for it. Okay, so I can claim it through the insurance. Okay, because it's not a cheaper bag, so that's why I need to have this. I have my phone set up. I always have the pen inside my bag because just in case, I got pulled over, or I need it for signing. If you have to go else's pen, I have my own pen all the time. Okay, so right now, this, as I said, this purse is 6 months old and it's in very good condition. It's clean inside. There's no wear and tear except for this one that I got stained from the rain. It's so funny when I'm using this purse. I have my plastic bag. No, it's not plastic bag. It's a bag that I use to put this and hide my purse or hide this on my jacket. My siblings always tease me that, whenever I use my Louis Vuitton bag, I put this when it's raining. I have to put a bag over bag because inside the bag. I don't wanted to get it dirty, guys. I hope you understand. Like, this is not cheap, so I have to use it. I don't want to put this in the closet just to sit there. I always change my purse every month just to use all of them. Like, I mean, extra, you know, make the use of it instead of just putting it in a closet, not to display the purse. Okay, guys. Okay, let's just put this back. Wallet. Put my wallet in here. It's amazing that I have a lot of stuff inside for a tiny little purse. I put a lot of stuff in there and it still looks good. Okay, so this is still basic stuff that I always carry, so might as well use it. I have this earbuds, an ocean pen. So I put my pen inside my mini Pochette. So right now this is what it looks like inside. And I can still put my phone and close it. There's no problem. This girl is so pretty. Anyway, this purse has a key. So this key here, you can take this out. So I can open this thing here. This key is for this one. Let me see. This key is for this one. The lock. See that? This is the lock. It's my key. Okay, I'll put this back here. She is so cute. This is the Alma BB and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.